Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have one of the new Beats Pill Bluetooth wireless speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting if this speaker is not connecting to Bluetooth, or it's not syncing or not pairing with your phone or other device, or if it's not responding, keeps disconnecting. Any issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now, the other reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason where you want to just delete the pairing history, delete all the settings off of it so that we can go ahead and set this speaker up like a brand new speaker. Now, if you just want to power cycle it, if you just press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, that will power cycle it, but it will not delete the pairing history. It will not erase any of the settings. If we want to do a full factory reset to the out-of-the-box defaults, all we need to do is come in and press and hold the power button and the volume down button over here simultaneously, those two buttons simultaneously for 15 seconds. If you hold the volume down and the power button for 15 seconds, this speaker will reset to its factory defaults, at which point you can go ahead and set it up like a brand new speaker.